It's Merry Christmas! I'm sorry. That's okay, we're gonna be modeling underwear soon, so somebody sponsored us for underwear. Anyway, so Merry Christmas. Yes, yes. Like I said, Merry Christmas. I'm gonna be home all day because I'm cooking. I'm hosting a dinner tonight, like I've been saying in the previous vlog. So I'm cooking 3 dishes. First time for making turkey. So I'm gonna vlog this experience so that I have documentation if it's gonna go well perfectly and if it's gonna go bad. I'm also making pancit. Pancit? Pancit. So the pancit, I've tried cooking it in the past or the previous nights actually, and it was very good. I'm making it tonight, and those are the dishes that I like to make for parties because you can make them as a whole and you make them like many people can eat. Anyway, Fabi's going to work. I'm home all day. I'm preparing the house, the kitchen for the dinner tonight. I'm also making laundry, doing laundry. I have all my party stuff there. I'm also gonna be wrapping these gifts finally for my family, so that's exciting. I just sat on the couch all morning, drank coffee, organized my pictures. Anyway, Fabio, how are you? Are you leaving me?
I'm so stressed out.
Oh, he's not here. Where are you? Where are you?
So stressed.
Wow, model the underwear. Don't go back into the closet. You just came out. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So I guess first things first. My plan is to put the turkey in at 11:30 a.m. So, oh my god, shit. Let's preheat this oven now. I'll check back. It is time to cook the damn turkey. Fabio's still in his underwear. Always in his underwear. The fuck?
I'm getting used to it.
Okay guys, so let's take out the turkey from the fridge.
That's a freezer, first of all.
I mean,
That says it all about how you often you cook. So it's a frozen turkey. All he has is already stuffed. All he has to do is put it in the your oven. That's it. In the oven.
Why are you wetting it now?
that's what it said.
Before taking it off the net and everything?
Let's see if it works. That's the instruction. I'm literally following the instruction.
This is the brand, guys.
If this brand wants to sponsor us, feel free to do so.
Okay, I think that's it. I'm just reading the instruction. Okay, so I think I'm doing this right. Let's see. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, the turkey's out. That's a turkey. Fabio, it's so frozen that I can't remove the giblets and the neck. I am so stupid. I did not follow the very first instruction. It says to put it under running water for 2 to 3 minutes to defrost a little. I didn't know it was the purpose to defrost a little. So now it's still frozen and I can't remove this thing, and I have to remove this thing before cooking it. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this turkey in this bag and let it run under running water.
You run it under water to defrost it.
Oh my god, it's coming out. Oh my god, it's coming out, it's coming out. Okay, finally. So I was just worried because there's like a piece of plastic stuck in the wings, and I don't want to cook the plastic, so obviously no. So it says to brush off some oil. I'm just gonna season it because we don't want bland. That's good. Now we're gonna cover the exposed parts inside of the turkey with tin foil so that it won't burn. Woo! I'll check back in later. Let me de-stress a little. I just finished cleaning. I just finished setting up the house. I think it's ready. Chairs are over there. And there's some tables ready for food. Turkey's in the oven still. Right now, I'm just gonna chill. maybe watch some YouTube videos, and I'm gonna wrap this Christmas presents over here for my parents. I'm leaving Toronto tomorrow to go to Guelph to spend my Christmas with my family. So I'm just gonna pack tomorrow. I don't think I have time today because around 3 I'm gonna start cooking. Hey guys, so what is everyone's Christmas plan this year? What are you guys doing? I'm not gonna unbox this, but I'm just gonna wrap this in the box because it's a whole set of knives for my parents. Make sure to spend it with friends if you guys can't go home. You guys probably saw our Christmas exchanging gift last year, right? It was so much fun with my family. I love gift wrapping, you guys. Perfect! I'll just check in with you guys later. This is probably boring. I'm just gonna check in when the turkey is ready. Okay, let's check the turkey. See, I'm so excited and also nervous. Ooh, nagba-brown na siya. It's browning slowly, guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you this dish that I always make when I have dinner parties. It's always the best to make. I'm just gonna talk you throughout whenever I pull out a new ingredients. So I'll just talk to you throughout the process. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm rushing because, oh my god, I have to go down and buy new chicken breast because the chicken breast that I bought, I forgot to take it out from the freezer. I took it out and put it in the fridge last night, but I forgot to put it out from the fridge. So now it's still frozen. So let's cook. What you need for this recipe is a bunch of chicken breasts, and you're just gonna wanna cut through it, and you're gonna make a hole in the middle. So for the stuffing, we have spinach, frozen spinach. So what you're gonna do is throw them in the bowl and put it in the microwave. So it should look something like this. Just make a pocket inside where you can put the stuffing in. And then the beauty of this dish is our chicken breast, we're gonna wrap it with prosciutto. Prosciutto is like a cured ham, so that adds a lot of flavor, fat, and saltiness. Very good. Here's our prosciutto. So what I want to do is I lay it on the flat surface, just like so. Let's do 2 each. And to this, that's my alarm for the turkey that I have to baste it. To this, you're gonna add breadcrumbs and grated cheese. And grated cheese. So now you want to put the stuffing inside the chicken. And then wrap it around, roll it. There you go. Now you should have something like this. Put it aside, get a plate. There. So now we're ready for frying. Alright, next dish I'm gonna be preparing the ingredients for pancit. Guys, my pancit is done! Oh my god! Second time around, my friend tasted it too, it's good.
It's good for real.
Oh my god! Like, it's good! Oh my god! People are gonna be shocked tonight. Yes! I've been cooking, cleaning the house all day long. Look at that! Look at God! You're not ready.
What are we making next?
We're making chicken. We're making the chicken, cream, prosciutto wrap chicken, prosciutto stuffed wrap chicken. Okay guys, I'm cooking the next dish now.
What is this?
So this is the chicken wrapped in prosciutto, stuffed chicken wrapped in prosciutto, and I'm gonna make the cream of mushroom sauce on top of it as well. Let it translucent a little bit first. I'm not gonna go into detail, just watch. Alright guys, so this is the base of cream of mushroom sauce. What am I talking about? So this is the cream of mushroom sauce in the making. So I'm just sauteing onion, garlic, mushrooms, added some butter. It smells so good right now. And then this has been soaking for 20 minutes. I don't know. It's another mushroom but with chicken stock in it. We're gonna add it in now. Alright guys, so the chicken is done baking in the oven. They're right here. Now our sauce, cream of mushroom sauce, is done as well. So we're just gonna pour it up. We're just gonna pour it up. Pour it all on top. A little disguise, like to pretend it's so.
Thanks, Omar, for making this.
Wow, that is amazing cooking.
Imagine my life.
What a success.
It was a success Christmas party with our friends. We didn't vlog for the entire evening, especially when Fabio came home.
I'm just here for the goodbye, guys.
He's just here for the goodbye.
Very small appearance in this vlog.
A good morning, hello, and goodbye.
Oh, did I even say hello this
In the
morning?
morning.
Oh, I was
When you
so
were wearing
frantic, you have
underwear.
no idea. I broke my underwear today. I just
Really?
realized, yeah, I was pulling it down to pee and I made a hole in it.
Anyway, good night, guys. Merry Christmas to you from Fabian.
Merry Christmas.
Love you guys. Bye.